Hello, hello. I got my Must Be Mine jewelry box. I went ahead and canceled it because I just felt like last month what I got was not worth $35 to me. I didn't pay $35 last month because I had a $20 off coupon, but the more I thought about it, the more I just didn't feel like the value was worth it. And I also found another subscription box, a jewelry subscription that you can keep, which is Mint Mongoose. So I subscribed to that. So I ended up just unsubscribing to this one, and I had to do it before the first of the month. So let's see what's in this box. I don't think I showed you last time, but they come in these bags, and look at, these are like really high quality bags. They're thick. I hope it's not leather. It doesn't smell like leather. Okay, so the first thing that I am seeing is these bracelets. They're pretty cute. It's rose gold. They're like stretchy bracelet. Honestly, I could make this, and it really kind of bugs me when the little tie is sticking out, but ooh, it's rose gold. It's a ring. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at this. Look at that. I love this. This is making me regret my decision right here. I love this. Ah, I love this. Okay, now I am seeing that there's 4 pieces in here. Last month I only got 3, and I'm seeing silver. This looks like a bracelet. Oh no, it is a necklace. Look at that, it's a double chain. And it's like opal. I love this. Opal is my mom's birthstone. Okay, let me go ahead and put this on. Look at that. This is adorbs. I will definitely wear this ring and this all the time. The last bag, ooh, it's another rose gold item. This may be another bracelet, or no, it's a necklace. This rope chain is beautiful. Okay, now I don't really like this piece right here, but look at this chain. Oh my god. You guys, they completely upped their game. This is so pretty. I am so into rose gold right now. I love it. I really like everything. Shows that when you get the coupon, they kind of give you bottom of the barrel stuff. But I am going to try and Mint Mongoose, like I said, so we'll see how that goes. Maybe I'll come back to this and just pay full price because I think this is a killer value. Plus, I got this adjustable 2-chain necklace. I'm so excited with this box this month, you guys. I kind of regret it, but you know, we'll see. I can always go back to it. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Peace.